At the moment at Cheselton Point, and we're waiting for a boat to pick us up at 9:45. So hintay-hintay lang muna kami dito. Ito yung mga ticketing booth nila, yung mga activities nila sa water. Yan, tsaka may shop sila doon. Andito na kami sa island resort called Mari-Mari. What is it?
Mari-Mari Teresa Sakay.
Sounds like Mari-Mari Saranghe. Sipangar, yeah. Oh my god, the boat was so hilarious. Like, it's really scares me to death. Like, I've never been in a speedboat like that fast. Like, it was so freaking scary. It was like, ooh, do like that. And now they said they got, oh my god, you have monkeys in here. Dang, they have cats and monkeys in here. Okay. They had a storm last night, so yung beach area niya, ang daming garbage. So hindi siya malalangoyan o masiswimmingan. Walang activity for today. Well, that's fine kasi may sakit naman kami. We all have sick, so we're just gonna here with the rest and be healthy. And when we arrived, they gave us this free drink, orange juice, which is hindi ko inumin kasi may ubo ako at sore throat, so ayoko. Better na lang water. So what else? Do you want to see around, guys? Maybe I'm gonna do a resort tour later para makita nyo yung area dito. And the kitty here. So, good afternoon, guys. We are now off to the dining area kasi magla-lunch kami. We actually have here a free breakfast, free lunch, and dinner. So, we'll see what food they have for us. So, actually, tomorrow na lang ako mag-resort tour for you guys kasi haggard na sa lola. Wala pa ako sa mood. So, yeah. We will do a resort tour and room tour and beach tour. So lunchtime, they have this food in here. Yummers! Oh yum, shrimp here, chicken, veggies, and fruits. Let's eat. This is our lunch. Ow! Someone's biting my leg. So we just had our lunch. Now we're going back to the room, which is top on the top, and there we need to climb down. Climb down, climb up. Every day, 3 times a day, you need to go up from that stairs down there and going up to that stairs, go up until there. There's where doon yung room namin. So nakakahilo, nakaka-dizzy yun. At saka may dala kaming water. Kamusta naman yun? By glass lang. May free water sila dito, coffee and tea, but the thing is, you need to go down every hour or whenever you want, just to get one. And we forgot to grab a bottle of mineral water. Sana yung refillan. So ito lang, kakalorky. Good morning, guys! It's now our day 2 here in Mari-Mari I don't know what called this island, but it's in Kota Kinabalu. So yeah, actually walang ganap dito kasi kapag nandito kayo sa island, let's say island life, boring. Walang masyado activity aside from your fan of snorkeling and swimming. So walang wifi dito, guys. Walang wifi, yung even outlet ng charge nyo yung phone or whatever, wala, kasi they use solar power, and you need to go down sa dining room nila para makapag-charge at makapag-connect ng wifi. So andito ako for the moment sa small veranda namin. This is the view. So ito yung small veranda namin. Diyan kami dumadaan. Dumadaan kami dyan, pababa, doon, pababa, hanggang doon. So, yun yung beach area. Kita dito. So, yeah. Lahat ng rooms dito, ganito, ganyan siya. Ganyan. Tapos, may small veranda ulit dito. So, ito yung sa amin. Yan. Ito yung sa amin. So, I'm still in my jammies. So, you wanna see downstairs. You see? Medyo mataas to eh. Kaya careful lang talaga. Yan. So, usually, may mga monkeys dito. Pero today, wala. Kahapon, meron kami nakita. So, yeah. That view. So, we just had our lunch. Dito kami nag-lunch. Hindi ko na vlog kanina kasi ang daming tao, daming guests. So, ito yung bali dining area nila. Papakita ko sa inyo yung dining at saka yung view nito. We are now going back to our room. So here we have some kind of reception area. Yan. There. So, we need to go up. Every day, ganito yung scenario namin. Nagdadala kami ng water in class. Kasi yung free water nila sa dining lang. And we don't have any water at all sa room namin. It's going to be tiring again. So, galing tayo doon at aakyat tayo doon. See. We're almost there. So yeah, that's our room over there. Nasa hill siya, top of the hill. So let's see, going down there. Hi guys, it's now around 6:30, 30ish, and I just had shower. We're staying in the island, but we really did not went to swim or even went to the ocean kasi madumi kasi siya eh. May mga garbages siya, trashes around the area. Hindi siya malinis, lalo na kapag let's say galing ka ng Palawan at Surigao, tas kukumpare mo dito, like what, I will not go swim in there, not at all. So now we're on our way to the dining area kasi magcha-charge kami. And hopefully, makapag-internet na naman. Kasi kapag nasa isla ka, talagang isla, wala isolated ito. And I even will just wear my jammies. Look, my jammies. Shoot. On the view. Let's go there. At saka, yung dinner namin is serve nila 7:30 pa naman. So, while waiting, we're charging in there and using surfing net. What was that? Hi guys, it's now our third day, but we're going to check out now. Time check 11:20, and we have a boat around 11:30, so we are now preparing to go down from here to there, and we're going back to the mainland finally. So nakapag-prepare na ako. Ito yung damit ko, dress. I got this from online shop from CDO. Yan, pauso. Goodbye, Mari-Mari Sipangar Island.